بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful.
إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها
When the earth is shaken with its quake,
وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها
and the earth brings out its loads,
وقال الإنسان ما لها
and man says, "What is the matter with it?"
يومئذ تحدث أخبارها
On that day, it will tell its tales,
بأن ربك أوحى لها
for your Lord will have inspired it.
يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم
On that day, the people will emerge in droves, to be shown their works.
فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره
Whoever has done an atom's weight of good will see it.
ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره
And whoever has done an atom's weight of evil will see it.